Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. We have reached lesson 10 inside the cabinet. In this video, let us learn the various components of the computer cabinet. I hope you know the cabinet and you have seen the cabinet, but let's learn more about it. Here there is CPU cabinet. It is also called computer cabinet. When we look at a typical computer means PC, we can see a monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, speakers, a printer and a computer cabinet. You must be wondering why the computer cabinet is so big when the central processing unit is located in it so small. This is because there are many other things inside the computer cabinet or system unit. Now let us take a look at the various components of the computer cabinet. Now we'll see first one, motherboard. A computer cabinet has a motherboard inside it. Motherboard holds and connects all the important components inside the computer. Here there is a picture of a typical motherboard. Some of the important components on the motherboard are CPU, memory, disk devices, etc. By this, we conclude motherboard is one of the important components of the computer cabinet. Now, we'll see second one, central processing unit. It means CPU. We already know that the CPU is the brain of the computer. It is also called a processor. CPU is a small chip located on the motherboard. It takes instructions from the other parts of the computer and performs the various tasks. It also performs all the calculations and takes the necessary decisions. The better the processor, the faster the computer works. Now we'll see next one, memory. There is a memory chip on the motherboard of a computer. This memory chip comprises of random access memory. It means RAM. Next one, read-only memory. It means ROM. These two memories are very essential. Now we'll see one by one. Random access memory. RAM is the main memory of the computer. The RAM is also known as read and write memory. We can save information on the RAM and also read information stored on it. It is like a bank savings account where we can save and withdraw money. RAM is the temporary memory of the computer. This is because any data saved on the RAM is lost when we turn off the computer. On the screen, you can see the image of RAM. Now, we'll see next one. Read-only memory. ROM is a small part of the main memory where important instructions are stored, such as instructions to start the computer. The computer can only read the instructions stored in the ROM. We cannot write, that is, save instructions onto the ROM. It is like a movie where we can see and listen to actors, but we can't talk to them. ROM is the permanent memory of the computer. All data saved on the ROM is saved even if we turn off the computer. Information saved on the ROM is removed only when we manually delete the data from the computer. This is all about ROM. You can see the picture on the screen. Now we'll see disk drives and devices. A disk is used to store data. It is similar to our school bag where we can keep our books. The disk drives and devices in a computer cabinet are hard disk, floppy disk drive and CD-ROM drive. Now we'll see one by one. Hard disk. You can see the picture here. We use hard disk to save the information while working with the computer. This is fixed in the computer and cannot be removed. Now we'll see next one, floppy disk drive. We use floppy disk drive to insert the floppy disk to read and save data on it. The floppy can be inserted and removed as required. Here there is a demo image. Last one, CD-ROM drive. You can see the picture here. CD-ROM drive is used to insert the CD to read and write on it. The CD can be inserted and removed as required. By this, I wind up my lesson. I hope you guys will make use of this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my channel.